We were one of the 3 lucky schools that won a brand spanking new playground. It's huge, it's enormous.
We really believe in play in the school, and the kids, I think they'll be ecstatic to have a new playground to play on.
Playground provides opportunities for kids to demonstrate all of our tikanga. They can be courageous, try new things, step up as they get older, do new things. They can be caring because they have to, show manaaki to other children that they're playing with. All of those things help children grow and develop.
Can I give you a hat?
We're absolutely stoked to be involved in this project playground. We've actually got people in store who used to go to this school and people's grandchildren that also go to the school now, so they're fizzing to see the end result.
I think the best part about it is either the slide or the bridge or the monkey bars maybe. I like the spinny discs. Like the rock climbing wall.
Everything! Oh, that's pretty good.
It's great! I think it's amazing.
You go first and lead the way, eh?
Just like everywhere in Christchurch, things have been tough for 10 years, but we've also had a fire, and it was time for these kids to have something exciting in this place. It's really cool.
Excited about the playground?
Yeah!
It's important to know this particular school, the gates aren't locked. This is open for all the community to use, which is amazing.
There's some families who are having some really tough times. To be able to come down here, there's no cost. You can come down to a playground, have a play, you can be at school and have fun things to play on, and school can be your good place.
Oh man, it's so rewarding, just coming in and working with the school and just seeing how happy they are.
The biggest thank you to Mitre 10. They've just been here for us 100%, and we can't thank them enough.